How does he bend the wood so it curves the edges of the sampan? Fire has something to do with it.
Sampan isn't a Vietnamese word. It is a borrow from a Chinese sampan. In Chinese, sam means three. Pan is wooden plank. Why? Because this boat means the three pieces wooden plank boat. 1,000 years old tradition. Bending wood with fire. Because why? He doesn't have the machine or steering machine or any modern tool for bending wood. He only uses. His father used this. His grandfather uses that. It is too dry. If he tried to put it on the fire like that, water leaks into his boat when he uses on the river. This kind of wooden plank over here, it needs more than 6, 7, 8 pieces. Nothing is wasted. After he burns it, fertilizes the tree in his garden.
How does the assembly happen? Let me just give you a little intrigue. It includes a very sharp saw and a man's barefoot.
He doesn't have the mold. He just have pick it up with the tail. Size of the sampan, because different kinds of boat, different sizes. So depends on the size, we will make different grips like that for both, right? Small one, big one. This is gonna be I just think it's less than 2 minutes, he can make it.
Wow!
And here, my family, here, all goes here, like that, right? They are very important. So what is going to be boat for? It's going to be for a fishing boat. Because I can see, right? There is a hole down here that's going to be for a second-hand motor engine. And with long, in the middle, the keel is for holding water because he needs to keep the fish alive after he gets to the river. Right? And here, this one, em mở này lên chút xíu nha anh. Em mở một chút xíu, em mở em coi here, right? What's this in here? Can I open it? Yes, I can. You see, this is for head and toes, right? And that is how fishing boat looks like. Now, this one is not completed because why? Because the gaps in between to the wooden planks, and then he needs to do something to fill it in the middle so they can use it for the river.
Make it so that boat does not leak. There is a trick.
Done by hand. And inside and outside. It can last for a whole year. So after 12 years, you're going to take it back on the dry dock, put the boat back here like that and repair because some of the resin here become harder and there may have a micro crack and water seep through. So this is the way, right? It's like that. This gentleman's business here, he can make enough money for his family. I just asked him, did you go to school? No, my family taught me all. And how old are you? Bao nhiêu năm nay bao nhiêu tuổi? Can you guess? 68, 69.
How long does it take to make a sampan boat? How much does a sampan boat cost? You're gonna find out.
The very first stage, you'll put on fire for bending. It takes you 2 days to build one boat like that. 2 days for this guy. And how much does it cost? Cái này bán bao nhiêu tiền? Mua luôn. Rồi tiền tiền mặt à? 2,5 triệu à? Bán đi. It's got $250. Yeah. Yeah, all the people here are relatives. They all
Chắc xong về luôn Nam ơi, khỏi lên cái cầu trễ rồi, sợ khách sẽ bị đi bắt phải mất công.
Thank you very much, my family. Thank you.
You want to know more about the Mekong River? Bonnie Lee's got you covered because right here, videos